use it?
Yeah, every time when you open the door.
Yeah.
Ross, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we are in the most important vehicle for this trip. The vehicle of concern is the Denza D9. This is an MPV, large MPV. This is the whole idea of us coming to China, to Changsa, to the BYD factory, because this is coming to Malaysia. This is the first right-hand drive version of this vehicle, and it's coming to Malaysia and the region, which means Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, and a few other countries. So we're going to go out for a test drive. Primarily, we know the rear seat comfort because we said just now. Now we're going to see how it feels in terms of body roll, in terms of dynamics. Now, I'm here with the test driver. What's your name, sir?
Simon.
Simon.
Yep.
My name is Daniel. I want to test drive this vehicle. I want to test and see if the airbags are working.
Okay.
Can, huh?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay, so which wall shall we hit?
Any wall you want.
Any wall, huh?
Choose any wall, yeah.
Okay, so Simon has given us the green light.
First one to do so.
Yes, to test the airbags in the D9. So we accelerate hard, bit of wheel spin,
Yep.
and we're going to brake hard here.
Brake. Oh.
Rear passengers are still in their seats. Belly, eh? Nice turning radius.
Yep.
No body roll. Almost no body roll. I didn't feel anything. A little bit here, but not that bad.
Very easy handling, right?
Very nice handling.
Yeah.
And we come to a full stop. So this is not what the average housewife or family will be driving their vehicle, but we know that this car can do more than the average MPV sold in Malaysia right now. So the Denza D9 coming to Malaysia, and we did not test the airbag. Thank you very much.
Nice meeting you, Daniel.
Later, when no one is looking,
Yeah.
then we test the airbag.